Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the error with Vanguard being Vanguard has blocked something from loading on your machine when you go to boot up Valorant. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this and do the fix is quite simple, and as everyone who plays Valorant knows, Vanguard is a notorious piece of anti-cheat software for Valorant that comes with its own fair share of bugs and issues that really slow down your PC. And to give you guys a bit of insight on why that is, it's because Vanguard it runs on admin zero privileges. So what this means is that it actually prioritizes the game as well as the anti-cheat to run with the highest priority on your PC. So what this does is it allocates all of your PC's resources onto those two running programs, being the game and the anti-cheat. And the reason this is bad is because I don't really need to explain it. Is because it's going to slow down your PC when it has more fundamental things that it needs to run in the background, like background services, your other programs, Windows Explorer and whatnot. So this really just messes with your experience. So to fix this, we're going to permanently uninstall Vanguard. So the way to do it is quite simple. First thing you guys need to do is you need to head on over to the file directory for Vanguard, or I should say Valorant, and you'll see that the folder for Vanguard is actually installed there. Now, it's pretty simple. We're going to, actually let me switch windows here real quick. Hold on. Here we are. So the idea is we're going to first delete or I should say uninstall Riot Vanguard in control panel. So it's pretty simple. Just go to control panel, go to programs and features, and uninstall Riot Vanguard. Now, once that's done, you guys basically want to go to the directory where Valorant is installed and look for the Vanguard folder and delete it. Now, this is good and all, but the problem is every time you guys go to launch the game or try to update it, it's going to reinstall or generate a new batch of files for Vanguard. Now, to fully fix this problem and to alleviate the issue with Vanguard, we're going to permanently delete the service with a command line using command prompt. And to do so, you'd want to hit the Windows key on your keyboard and R to bring up the run window. So it looks a little something like this. And from here, you would want to type down CMD, and this window should pop up. Now, once you guys are here, you'd want to type scdelete VGK. Now, VGK is actually the service name for the Vanguard anti-cheat. So when we hit enter, we're going to permanently delete the service and prevent it from being reinstalled onto our system. So this way, you guys will have a seamless experience running Valorant or playing Valorant, and all of the issues should disappear. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So once again, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.